If you're a wedding videographer, I'm going to give you a really simple tip that will take your wedding video to the next level. Stay tuned.
Quick tip of the week.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Quick Tips of the Week. This is one for you wedding videographers. Listen, there's a million ways to shoot a wedding video, but one of my favorite ways, and it's a great way for those who are looking to start off, and something you may want to do just in general. I often tell people, when you're filming a wedding, pull the bride, pull the groom aside while they're getting ready and have them explain how they met their significant other. Have them go through the story of how they met. Because when you're creating a video, this is a perfect narration, a perfect voiceover to showing them prepare and then go through the ceremony. It's great to have that story, and it's something that they will cherish because it's a story they want to share with their kids. It's a story they want to share with their family. It's a story they want told that leads up to this date. So pull them aside separately, get their story, and nothing will blow them away more than seeing the finished product with their story told by them intertwined together and mixing to meet at this particular day. Few extra things you can do. You can get parents' story about the first time their kid told them about the person that they're in love with, or not kid. I guess you can say kid. It's not really a kid, but their child explained the first time they met the person they're with. Get both parents' story. Get maybe their close friend story. Hey, I remember when she came in and she mentioned this guy. I didn't think it would last, but look, we're here now. So those stories are great for narration when it comes to wedding videos. And you probably have your way of shooting wedding videos and your way of telling a story, but this is just something you can layer on top of it that will make it even more memorable. I mean, think about having just a regular video with music and then the ceremony and the dance, and that's great, but to hear how they met, why they met, oh, I didn't want to give her a shot until she did this, or hey, I really didn't like him until he did that, or it was love at first sight, I knew that was my wife, or whatever. It's great to hear that while you watch the wedding. All right, guys, that is your quick tip of the week. If you got any comments, got any questions, let's get in that comment section right below. Let's talk about it a little bit. We're going to bring you quick tips of the week every Monday morning, so look forward to it. And make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure your notification bell is popping so you can hear when we upload new videos, and make sure you share this with your friends. All right, guys, I'll see you next video. And if this is your first time watching one of our videos, this channel is designed to help people like yourself turn your passion into profit. We like to use the term contentpreneurs. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you can be notified on our latest videos, and let's get to it.